I do believe that we can have a pullback up, to be honest. We're having another 15-minute candle active at the moment, so that is why you can see the market is moving pretty fast. I'm feeling unbelievably excited too. Do not know why, but my screen is dark. I can barely see you. Well, I can see me. I don't know. Maybe you should just load it again. Excited is great. Don't get greedy. Exactly. That is the whole point. Let's see, we can just look at Bitcoin. So we're looking at Bitcoin at, so this is Ethereum. So what I'm gonna do while we are looking at the other coins, I'm gonna put an alert. So if we see the market coming to this level, we're going directly to the chart. Men snälla, kan du vara tyst? Live makes things blurry here as well, but going back and then forth and the video normally helps me. Can you not go into the, you can just change on the settings on HD and put it to 1080 p60? Okay, let's see what else coins that you want me to look at while we're waiting for the market to. We were looking at one. We're looking at ape. HBR. Did we look at them? I think we were looking at HBR. Guys, tell me what you want me to look at. Or we're just waiting for the market to reach our targets. Everyone excited. Near, neat, near. Oh yeah, Andreas, we can go to near. And Lauren isn't here, but maybe she will look at this live stream later and she will see what we're doing. Okay, what happened here? Did we? So we're already in a trade on near since before. We almost came back up and it almost came up and take our stop loss, but we are in profit now, which is really good. So we're gonna take this one away because it's too messy. Okay, for a pullback now. Okay, so either we're just coming back up and retest potentially 16.264 or 16.303. But if we're just dragging up the fib a little bit, we can come up and retest 16.422 also. Hey. Hey. Yeah. So yeah, just a pullback right now. You saw the targets that I did, the Fibonacci levels. If this is the case, take profit 1 will be 15.911. Take profit 2 will be 15.475. Take profit 3, 15.106. Guys, if you haven't liked the live stream, please go inside and do that. It is 80 people watching, it's 70 people that like the live stream, so please help me to grow the channel by hitting the like button so we can reach out to more people. Okay, looking at Luna. Lauren, I think she's having a class, but oh, Lauren just came. Lauren, we're just about to talk to you about you. We were looking at near. Okay, Lauren, just a recap, doing this quickly because we did speak about it. We're waiting for the market to pull back up to 16.420, potentially 15.510. if we see the market reaching these levels, what we're waiting for the market to do is drop, obviously, because the market is in a downtrend. Take profit 1, 15.913. Take profit 2, 15.483. And take profit 3, 15.90. So that's what I see. Stop loss 16.940. Really good risk to reward. Okay, so we're looking at Luna while you're welcoming our lovely Lauren. We're waiting for the market. Okay, so looking at Luna overall picture. Just want to see how it looks on the monthly chart. Okay, so we're closing. Can you see, guys? So this is one of the things that's really important, guys. So if we're using the previous resistance now on the monthly chart, okay, so you can see that I'm using it. You see the box. Okay, now on the weekly chart, we don't see anything special. Looking at the daily, can you see how perfectly the market came back down, broke it? You saw the retest, and then you see the drop. How to use these levels is key. And looking at the higher time frames, what we're looking at is a fake out to the upside. So when we have a fake out, the market comes back down and retest this level, and you can see the retest on the lower time frames. So this was also a entry. What we also can do is that we're going down to the lower time frames. And let's see. I'm just gonna see if it actually was a, yeah, so this is really good. So we saw the market, we took the fib from high 97.45 to the low at 80.66, around that level. Oh, okay, I'm gonna look at that one soon. I'm gonna look at it. Market came up to retest the 50%. Market is bouncing to the downside. Super, super good. And now we're trying to figure out where the small lower high can be, because we need a pullback. We can also go to the 50-minute charts. I think that is too far away. So you just might see the market pull back up now to potentially 82.98 and 83.30. And from that level, market is dropping even more. So stop loss at 85.20. So 4 take profits. No, 3. I would use 79.76, 78.60, and take profit 3, 76.41. And you can also see the market dropping obviously to 67.40 and 59, around 60, because that is the higher time frames Fibonacci that we saw the market retest. So I can definitely see market taking. So okay. But it takes some time for the market to reach these levels. Obviously, you'll see the market doing this. So if you just want to have a quick take profit, you take these 3 and potentially the 4th one at 76.52. Yeah. Okay. So let's see OCT for Wayne. OCT USDT. Overall target, we saw the market in a downtrend now on the weekly chart. We came back up and retested the Fibonacci level perfectly, taking another Fibonacci, same thing. I mean, I love Fibonacci so much. I love Fibonacci. Ugh. I usually don't drink wine, but you know, sometimes I do. Okay, so we don't have on OCT. If we see the market pulling back up, I'm using the 5 minutes chart now. If you see the market pulling up to 2,785, potentially 2,2896, that is the second target that I could potentially see the market retesting. If you see more momentum, you could potentially come back up and retest 2,3172. So everything depends on how the market is behaving around these levels. Now I'm looking at the 5 minutes chart, but the 5 minutes chart is not as respected as the higher time frames, obviously. It's a very, very small time frame. But if that is the case, take profit one. Okay, so take profit one at 2.1670. Take profit two, 2,800. 2.800, sorry. Take profit three, 1.9750. Your voice is super low. Maybe it's because I'm too far away from the microphone. Is it better now? Is it better now? I finished uni years. We're waiting for the pullback on Bitcoin. It takes some time. You can see on the lower time frames now that we can see the market having a pullback. Feel steady now. Okay, good. So it's just a waiting game for us now. It's just a waiting game for us now, boys and girls. Drink more wine. Yeah, and I'm gonna be like, you buy the market now, and the market goes straight down. No, Bitcoin senses would not be happy on me if I would do that. Yeah, so I just wish the market to have some movement now, because we want the market to do that while we are having the live stream, or while we have the live stream. Near going to the downside, be careful. Yes, I know you sold. Natalie has a cat, but she also needs a dog and bougie and a goldfish. To be honest, I like this cat because he doesn't want me to cuddle so much with him, and I don't like when animals are too attached to me. So he's a pretty perfect cat. I can go and kiss him sometimes, but nothing more than that. So we're looking at Cadena. I know we were looking at this one yesterday also, so we're just gonna see what happened. I don't know why I did it. Okay, so I did expect the market to no. This was really good, guys. So we did use a Fibonacci from 6.600 to the low at 5.395. Market came back up and retested this. Can you see, guys, how perfectly this is? Like, guys, come on. Like, you can't even lie about this. I'm always blown away when it comes to Fibonacci levels. I'm so happy. And now we're reaching target one at 5.100, going to the lower time frames, because obviously we can't trade the market on the lower time frames. Same setup that we do have on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're dragging a Fibonacci from 5.678 to the low at 5.475. If we now see the market pulling back up to potentially 5.575, and 5.600. The targets that I have for Korea, if that is the case, is 5.428. Target 3, 5.322. You can choose target 3 at 5.230 or 5.100. So just a little push to the upside. We are in a downtrend. When you have this huge volatility to the downside, usually what happens is that you just see the market having a quick pullback and then market drops. So that is why I do have also my sell limit order on Bitcoin at 40,200, waiting for the market to pull back up to this level if we don't see the drop now. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see the market having a little pullback and then you see market is slowly breaking to the downside. And guys, don't forget that on Bybit you can also receive a bonus up to $4,100 by using the link in the chat that you can see that I pinned, and you are supporting Bit Consensus by doing that. So I am always available for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go inside and do that so we can sit here and learn trading together. I've been trading since 2018. I'm sitting at the charts every single day, and I've been doing that since 2018, and it actually pays off really good, and I'm just sharing my knowledge with you. I share a lot of good knowledge with you guys, and I've been back testing myself for so many years, and I can actually see now how much that has been benefiting for me. So if you want to go to something that I think is really important when it comes to trading, I know you already know this, but if there's any new people in here, please go inside to Market Structure Part 1 and Market Structure Part 2, because this is the core of trading. This is the basic. If you understand market structure, you will understand so much more when you're using tools like trend lines, Fibonacci levels. If you're using any type of indicators, just combine all of these things together, because market structure is key. Like, it is key. It is key. Like, it's like you trying to drive a car without wheels. It will never happen. It's just the same thing when it comes to trading. If you don't understand market structure, you will be completely lost. It will not take you anywhere, to be honest. And if you want to join our Telegram group and be a part of the community that we do have, Lauren just put up the link to our community Telegram group, and everything is for free. So just go in there and talk to people that love trading and cryptocurrencies, just as you, even if you're a holder or if you are a Smoking Joe. I drove a car without wheels before. Maybe because you were smoking and you actually didn't do it, but in your head you thought you were doing it. Just joking. I believe you. It won't let me join. Really? What? Okay, try the Discord. Try the Discord instead. Don't drink and drive, smoke and fly. Not life advice. I just tried. Go into Discord instead, because we also have Discord. I don't know if it's working. Okay, so I need to contact the team if it's not working. Okay, let's see, guys. So we're just waiting for the market, obviously, to push to the upside. If the market comes to these levels, I can go on to another live stream, because right now the market is just either we're just having a huge bounce to the upside, to the downside. So I'm gonna end this live stream right now, guys, because we need to let the market do whatever it's supposed to do, and it's the same thing on every other pair, because everyone is obviously the same. So we're just waiting for everyone. Natalie, I messaged you on Facebook. Not sure it's the best place to send you a DM. Anna, if you go in, I haven't received anything. But please go into the Telegram group or the Discord, and you can just hashtag me, and I can answer you from there. It's easier for you to do that. Guys, thank you so much for being... guys, one more like, and we are having 100 likes on this live stream. So I don't know who that one person is, but please like the live stream so we can have 100, okay? 1, 2... Okay, I'm waiting for the 100 likes, so if you haven't liked the live stream, please go inside and do that. We'll be so happy. Okay, whatever. Guys, have a good day. We'll see each other later. I'm gonna update you with 101. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Makai. Thank you, George. Thank you, Lauren, for being here. Thank you, Norman. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, everyone, for taking your time. Thank you, Rhythm. Thank you, Wayne. Thank you, everyone, for being here and supporting me, guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm so happy that I can share my thoughts with you on and that you trust me. Have a good day, guys. Have a good day, and we see each other later. Always use risk management. Just 1 second, guys. As always, I'm giving everyone the content. I hope everyone is feeling good today. I am super happy. Can you hear me? I tried to change a little bit when it came to my microphone. I hope it works. I hope you can hear me. It sounded good when I was trying it. It was a lovely guy or girl who told me how to do it, and I tried it, and I think it's done. Hello, Absolute hello, how are you? Ayat, hello. Can you make a video fib? I just left BitBoy for hair. Oh, really, Steven? Thank you. Hi, Natalie. Greetings from the Netherlands. Well, hello. Ilya, hear you. Good morning, Nat. I can hear great. Makai, hello. How are you? Ayat, hello again. Steven, we need higher volume here. We're gonna go directly to the 15-minute chart now, guys, because this is where we can find another entry, because you do have this volatility to the downside. So we're not waiting for the market to create a 4-hourly candle. What you can see at the moment right now is a pullback on the lower time frames, and the pullback can be, if we're dragging a fib from last high to low, if you just go back in time, we always look at the left where we potentially can come. So this level is really important, and that is also combined with the previous with the support at 0.50, no, sorry, the resistance at 40,218, and that is also combined with a previous resistance. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a sell limit order on Bitcoin right now, because the market is just having a momentum. So this is usually what I do when I go into the lower time frames, because the candlestick that we're looking at right now is very, very volatile. I was in a trade before, guys. I was in a trade before. 40,200. 40,200. Sorry, guys. I'm just focusing on this now. So please, guys, just bear with me. 40,200. 40,200, darling. Hello, Sumait. How are you? C-Pro looking beautiful. Well, thank you, you too. We're having a pullback now, as you can see. We did close. Hey Natalie, this is Ali from Pakistan. Well, hello Ali from Pakistan. I hope I hope you are feeling good today. Just 1 second. I'm just gonna go into. I'm just jumping into the charts right away. Just 1 second. I cannot see what you guys are writing at the moment. 1 minute. I'm just gonna put a trade because the market is giving me the opportunity to do so. I'm gonna give it to you soon. Okay, let's see. So it's a sell limit order around 40,200. 40,200. Sell short. Take profit 39,300. Stop loss 40,690. 40,690. What did I say? 39,300. Open short. Confirm. Okay. I can see you guys now. I hope everyone is good. What a brilliant and gorgeous girl. Keep it up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, Michael. How are you? I'm super. Remember Freetown? Oh, yeah. I remember. Haha. Hi, Nat. What do you think in terms of stop loss 40,200? No, stop loss 40,200. Did I say that? 40,200. No, it's too tight. 40,200 is too tight because you just might see the market pushing through that level. Fibonacci 61.8% is 40,300. So I would not use 40,200 because your stop loss will get hit. I have 40,690. Just so you were able to let the market I meant for your order at 40,200. Yeah. Yeah, so my entry, I'm gonna write it to you. Yeah, exactly. Remember, guys, I'm no financial advisor, so this is, I mean, the market can definitely take stop loss. So everything is on your own. Everything is on you. I'm only sharing you what I will do. Yeah, so I am having a entry. I can either have it at 40,200 or potentially 40,265 because usually the market is spiking through. If this is the case that the market will come to this level, you will just see the market spiking through it pretty quick, and then the market is going down. Target one will be, just one second. Target one will be 39,830, and that is 85 pips. Target two, sorry, is 39,540, and that is 140 pips. Target 3 is 3,900 and 300, and that is 190 pips. So yeah, just waiting for the market to pull back up. We do have a huge volatile and pretty volatile we did close with a volatile candlestick, and we do have the market now. You just might see the market push back up to these levels and then reverse back down. That's what I'm looking for, because I don't think the market will have some huge momentum at the moment. So that is why. Yeah, so waiting for the market obviously to push to the upside. And I do have my sell position also on Bybit around at 40,200. So I'm just waiting for the market to pull back up and activate my sell limit order. Don't forget, guys, that you can also receive a bonus on Bybit by using the link in the description down below the video. You're supporting me and Big Consensus by doing that, so I can always sit here every live stream with you. Hello, Smoking Joe. How are you? How are you? Hello, cute Natalie. How are you doing? Always beautiful. Good day, guys. Thank you, Songo. I'm super good. I hope everything is good with you too. So yeah, we're just waiting for the market to pull back up to our entry, and we'll see if we are continuing up, taking our stop loss, or if you're continuing down and taking our take profit, guys. So just waiting game. It's just a waiting game, right? So let's see what you want me to look at. Okay, so we can go to Ethereum. I saw McCabe, or we're asking about the stop loss on Ethereum. So we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to the lower time frames also on Ethereum, because this is the most important part. Let's see. We're going to the 1 hourly chart. First of all, I just need to adjust something. So just give me a few minutes and I will give you exactly what I see. I will give you exactly what I see, guys. Okay, so we're looking at Ethereum, and we're going to the higher time frames first because we want to understand what's happening. Can you see how perfectly the market came back up and retested the Fibonacci levels and then went down? We are right now retesting. Oh, sorry, I'm just gonna take that one away. Okay, so we do have the momentum to the downside. We came back up and retested the Fibonacci level perfectly, the one that I did talk about yesterday. Can you see how perfectly the market closed exactly at the 50%? Then market went down. But we're going directly to the entry now. Going to the 15 minutes chart, we do the same thing. So we're dragging a fib from the last higher low on the lower time frames. So going back in time, you can also see that these levels right here, na, 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 na. 1 minute. It's a long time. I did this on Ethereum, so that's why it takes some time. I only need one more. I only need one more, darlings. Only need one more. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just okay. Yeah. Okay, so we're looking for the market to pull back up to 3,030, potentially 3,037. So if I would go into trade on Ethereum, I would have my, oh sorry, this was the wrong one. I would have my stop loss. Let's see. I would have my stop loss around 3,060. 3,060. Just in case you see the market having a little bit of a movement to the upside, because you just might have a wick. If we're not just dropping from now, we just might have, just give the market some space to move, right? And then market drops. Usually, lol, why you should off been warning? We aren't track. What? Oh, maybe you're not talking to me. I might have to quit my new job. I keep missing your live stream. That's funny. I don't okay, I saw someone come Karamabir NS. Is that a coin? Hello everyone and welcome to this live stream. I hope everyone is good. We are in a position, or I'm not in a position. I did actually have a trade today. I took the trade around at 41,180. My take profit was at 40,290. Market smashed my take profit, and the next sell limit order that I do have is 40,200, and I expect the market to pull back up to activate my sell limit order, obviously, and then drop in even more to the downside. If we're going to Ethereum, we're also looking at 3,030 and 3,037, and from these levels we do expect the market to activate the sell limit order. Stop loss will be 3,060 because the market needs to have some movement, needs some space if you see a wick creating, and then target will be 2,975. Going to the high time frames, we can obviously also use, you can also see the market drop back down to 2,912 because that we're using the high time frames Fibonacci, and that will also be the next lower low. So I would use 2,913 as a target, to be honest. I am mooning, man. I'm shorting. Wow. Okay, let's see. I saw that QNC. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, sorry. For Kamabir, thank you so much. QNC USDT. So whatever coin, guys, you want me to look at, please tell me, and I will do that. And I'll try to go everyone and take everyone bit by. Let's have some wine on that. George, short now. Target 38824. Thank you, Smoking Joe. Okay, we're looking at CNC, CoNC, and going to the weekly chart. Okay, so market is overall in a uptrend. Let's see. We're also going to do this. We're using the top of the wick. Okay, so by just following market structure, you can see the market is creating a high, right? The market did create a all-time high right now on this pair. So if the market now continues back down and retests potentially 4.170, and you see the market giving you bearish rejections, that means that you'll see the market start to give you bearish patterns, small bearish reversal patterns around these levels. You'll see that on the lower time frames. The only thing that we need to have in mind, I'm gonna do it like this. If the market comes to 4.165 or 4.43 and the market gives you the rejections around these levels, that will be the higher low being created. If that is the case, 4.913 is target 1, target 2 will be 5.437. But the only thing that I can think about at the moment, if we're using the previous wick that we did have a couple of months ago, if we're closing below, you see retest from below, and then you start to see very volatile bearish candlestick, this could actually take us back down to the support again at 3.646. So be very careful when the market comes to these levels now, because you just might see very huge volatility to the downside. So if that is the case, the market will not be valid, or the Fibonacci levels will not be valid. So that is a very important to have in mind. And this is also a consolidation market. So you can also see that you are coming back down and retest a previous high right here. So just looking at these levels, and as long as you have in mind that don't have too volatile candlestick, it's very important to look at how the market is behaving around the Fibonacci levels for you to take the decision if you want to buy the market or not. I hope you understood that, Kamabir, and love your channel. Thoughts on Litecoin? Thank you, Kay, so much. We can go to, is it LTC? Yeah, I just said Litecoin. I'm shorting, thank you. Okay, well, let's see. We're just starting over. It looks like we are heading back to the target. It looks like we can have the push to the upside on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. Okay, but on Litecoin, Okay, so the overall target that it looks like we can come back down to is is around $100. But now we're going to the lower time frames because I guess this is gonna look the same as on Bitcoin. And we are coming back down to previous support also. But what we're gonna do is that we're still gonna use the Fibonacci level. But I would look at 107.4 to see if we have the push, because remember guys, in a downtrend you need to sell the market at the lower high, and this is because now you can see the market is dropping, but obviously we're coming back down to a support. But if you see the market coming back up to potentially 107.2 or 107.4, that could be a quick lower high, and then you see the market pushing to the downside. If you only want to have short targets, 106, 105 and 104, but I strongly believe that we can have it push back down to $100. And so yeah, you decide how many orders you want to have and the target. Yeah, or we're just dropping now, I don't know. But I would never sell the market at the right now, but you do whatever you want to do. Obviously I always try to sell the market at the lower high. Okay guys, welcome everyone to this channel. I hope everything is good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can go inside and do that and hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time. Welcome to Bitcoin Census. We're a super great community. If you also want to be a part of the community and you want to chat with us, you can go to our Telegram group and I'm gonna put it into the chat. And you are more than welcome to be in here, and it's a lot of people that talks about cryptocurrencies every single day. We are an amazing community. I know a lot of you already are in the community. I'm super happy. It just feels like you're my family now because we do this every single day, so I'm so happy about that. And we're here to look at the charts and see what we can do. And don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,100 by using the link in the description down below the video. And on Bybit, I'm waiting for the market to pull back up to 40,200 to activate my sell limit order that I do have. And then market obviously is hopefully pushing to the downside. Rhythm, hello, how are you? Thank you, appreciate your channel. Thank you, Key, so much. I appreciate you too. Let's see what else we can look at. I'm gonna go back up to the chat and see if there's any coin that I missed. I'm gonna try to take everyone in order. Obviously, if someone pays for it, I have to take it. I need to prioritize them, but I know that you understand that already. But I saw Link, and Link is going down. Link is going down, guys. If you haven't liked the live stream, please go inside and do that. Also support my channel so we can reach out to more people. Okay, so looking at Link, we can just start from the from above. We're taking this one away. Obviously it already happened. So what we can do, we're going directly to the daily chart because this is from where we saw the bounce. We are reaching 11.28 right now. I think that is the target that you'll see the I just think that we will drop from here. It just looks like we will drop a lot. So yeah, something looking like this or so. This is just a pullback. Market is dropping, and so yeah, going to the lower time frames is obviously where we want to find a sell position. Because when the market is dropping the way it does now, you don't have a big pullback. You only have a quick one on the lower time frames usually, and then the market breaks to the downside. So looking at Link right now, we can pull back up to 13.60 or potentially 13.66. And okay, let's see. If you want to have three targets, 13.30, 13.11 and 12.91. But this is just it is pretty tight because it is on the Fibonacci level. if on the 15 minutes chart, but you can also have it like this, because the overall picture, we did retest a previous Fibonacci, and we're about to hit target. The first target is around 11.27, so that's why this is what I do expect the market to do. Pullback. I do have the stop loss above the previous high. Let the market have some space. Can you see the risk to reward is really, really, really good. 4-2, it's really good. So yeah, if you want to screenshot it on link, you can do that now. Hello Isabel, how are you? Perfect, let them ride. Let them ride. Where are the moderators? Guys, we don't need moderators right now because we're having so many good people on here that is not interrupting anything with some spamming. So there is no problem with that. Link. Okay, so and KNC, we did look at that one. We've already looked at Bitcoin. We already looked at Ethereum. And we're gonna look now at Matic. So Matic is the next coin that we're gonna look at. Matic USDT. Oh my, so many things on the charts. It was long. Going directly to the high time frames. So we're looking at the same thing, obviously. The same thing that we were looking at the other coins. I'm just gonna adjust everything a little bit, going to the high time frames. Can you see how perfectly the market came up and retested the level? Guys, if you were on my live stream a couple of days ago, you would already been in the trade, because this was something that I did talk about before. Okay, so we're going to the lower time frames. We're having the drop at the moment. You just might see the market dropping even more. The only thing that I can give you now is potentially if we see the market pulling back up, because we do have the market dropping at the moment. So if we're not coming back up and retest 1.376 or potentially 1.378 for a small pullback, looking something like this, that is something that I'm looking for at the moment. I don't think the move is done yet. But if we see the market dropping even more, I don't have any targets. This is the only target that I do have right now on Matic. So if it drops, it drops. But if we see the market coming to that level, stop loss will be around 1.400. Take profit is 1.284. Kylo, you got this. What happened? Down, down, down. Go short, everyone. Go short on everything at 100 leverage. George, someone can actually do that. Okay, what other coins you want me to look at? So we can see the market is dropping right now on Bitcoin too. I'm just gonna go to that to Bitcoin again. Yeah, so we do have the drop at the moment, so we just might not see the market pulling back up to the levels, but I'm still gonna have it because sometimes you can see the market having just a quick pullback and then it goes back down. So yeah, if we see the market dropping even more, we're just waiting for the market to see where it comes to, and after that we are looking for another position. But right now the market is dropping. I was already in a trade later today, but my take profit got taken. I sold the market around 41,175 and my take profit was 40,270. Why I did have my take profit here, because I wasn't sure if we were bounced to the upside again, but we did break the support trend line that I did have. And yeah, now we're continue dropping. I obviously waiting. I'm still gonna have my sell limit order at 40,200. Even if we not see the market coming to these levels right now, but I mean, it's just a waiting game, guys. We are moving the market, guys, low. Yes, we are. Sir, less sir. Love your channel. Mwah. Well, mwah on YouTube. So yeah, just waiting for the market. If we see the market pulling back up, And yeah, it's just a waiting game from now on, guys. Always don't forget that you can also receive a bonus on Bybit by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it in the chat in the top of it, and you are supporting Bitcoin Consensus by doing that. I love Bybit because the fees are really good. And we also have a bonus on Prime XBT, but that is more for for day trading. Yeah, and you can also receive a bonus on Prime XBT up to 7,000, depending obviously on what you're depositing to your account. Market is dropping, guys. Market is dropping. HBR. We can go to HBR. HBR USDT. So this is like the best time to look at the charts. Market is always moving this time. Norman, best channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so we're looking HBR, and so yeah, I guess just everything looks the same at the moment. Everything is looking the same. We have the drop. You saw the market coming back up and retest the Fibonacci levels precisely. You saw the break of structure perfectly, guys. The market is doing the same thing over and over again. Sometimes your stop loss get taken. Guys, the market did precisely. Can you see how perfect this was? Target 2 got hit. Target 3 is just about to get hit soon, around 0.925. But on the lower time frames, we just might find ourselves another entry. But it's really hard now when when the market is just dropping. It's really hard because I need to see the market actually. Market tanking because you shorted everything though. We just might see something on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so if we see a push to the upside, I would use 0.1972 and potentially 1.1978 for a pullback. That is what I would look at right now. Stop above the previous high at 0.2006 and target still 1.1900. So this is how it looks. Oh, you can still have it on. So this is just waiting for the market to create a small lower high on the lower time frames. Let the market have some movement to the ups, some space on the stop loss, and then bounce to the downside. I wouldn't sell the market now because you can see a pullback. Never sell the market at the lower low. Hey Felix! So my cat just woke up. He's been sleeping the whole day. Okay, we're looking at Ape. We are going into Ape USDT. Let's see the cat. I want to show you the cat, but you know, I just had him for a few days or so, and every time I try to lift him, he's like, nah! And I don't want him to cut my eyes out or something, you know. You look great in the red, matches with the market. Yeah, I saw that when I was fixing my thumbnail. I'm like, yeah, this was totally meant to be. Okay, so looking at Ape, market is going down. If you're using a Fibonacci, we can drag it up to the high at 15,5810 to the low. Market came back up and retested that level. So what we can do now on the 4-hourly chart, we can still identify this. Can you see how perfectly the market, if we would have used a support trend line like this, you can already see how the market did retest it. Can you see how perfectly this is, guys? This is amazing. You saw the market break it. You saw the retest. Market is now continuing to the downside, but we can try to figure out. if we see some movements to the upside now, I would use 12.3452 and potentially 12,380 for another entry. The stop loss, I would have it at 12,6400. Where is the overall target? Oh, it's pretty far away.